Good luck.
I don't think so, but you know, I just think lock the door.
Today's Saturday. We're going to Jamaica tomorrow morning. So today is like that day to rush around and do everything. Right now, I'm with my mommy. She just went inside. But we're gonna get our nails done. She wants a manicure, pedicure. She don't want no what she call nail extensions. But I want nail extensions, okay? I want some acrylics or whatever, so I'm gonna get them done. We were on the road all day yesterday. I'm literally so tired, but skin come through. Ooh, don't mind my eyebrows. They need to get done. I'm getting them done later. Just look past them, overlook them, bypass them. Just don't pay them any mind whatsoever and just let me be. Getting my nails done. Let me just go out the car. Honestly, like, I have my winter jacket, but listen, the weather is blessed, okay? Woo! So my bun is halfly falling out, but you know what? It's okay. Does this work, guys? Like, it's $2.50. But does it work though? Yeah. Where are we going? The Michaels is right there. Is the Michaels there?
No. Oh yeah.
I don't really care for that.
I don't like that one. Yeah. You told Dad.
Tell Dad what?
What you nails?
Tell him about my nails for what? Are these long, guys? My mom's crying. That was the goal, to make her cry. But like, bro, are these long? No. They're not. So we're Michaels. And I look a hot mess. Like, look at the journal. Look at the journal. This one's cute. This one's cute because it's simple, but I don't want like cosmic thoughts. Like, I don't need that. These are all like moon and unicorn. Like, that's not my level. Oh, but there's some behind. Ooh, hello, gorgeous. They're talking at me. This one's, uh-oh. I kind of like this one. I kind of like it. They have a few more options. This one's nasty. This one's dirty. We just got some gift wrapping paper for the children. That's it. Hair store number 2. I don't know. But they finally have these in Canada. Oh shoot, we ended up in a mall, so yeah, and she's gonna go deal with some like present stuff. I hope you guys can hear me. Actually, I don't know if you guys can hear me that well, but whatever. I'm gonna get out. What is it? It's a romper. So like, with the options I got, I don't know what. Next on the list is my eyebrows. My body's gonna die, so it's whatever. Where'd she go? They're like, do you want me to hold it? So yeah, I'm getting my eyebrows done, guys. You can come. My girl, you better get in.
That's okay?
Yeah.
You hold like that?
And I'll put it like this. I won't make it mess you up. I'll just go like this. My battery finna die, so I'll have to show you guys afterwards because this thing really finna die. I have all 3 batteries, they're all 3 gonna die. So okay guys, so I kind of cut and y'all didn't get to really see anything. My battery died in the eyebrow place. I look nasty first of all, so we're gonna ignore that. Yes, I'm standing on my bed because that's where the lighting's at, and I really hate this headboard that like is temporarily here. So yeah, I cut you guys off in the eyebrow place, and that was hours ago. Like, I've been home and I've been like busy like switching suitcases and packing and all of that. So yeah, you guys will see me at the airport and all of that. But yeah, for now we're going to bed. Mans are tired, I'm going to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little prep with me. I'll show you guys a bit of like the morning. I'm getting up at like 8 in the morning, which is not as early as I expected to have to get up, but I'm not complaining. So I have to wake up at like 8 in the morning, and my flight is like at noon or something like that. I don't know. Right now, I'm not even gonna go sleep. I'm gonna like edit and like maybe fall asleep around like 4. So like we'll see how this goes. Thank you guys for watching. I hope I don't look too much of a hot mess. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini vlog running around with me, getting ready. And I'll see you guys in the next video.